YouTube? Welcome back to Beemer Fam. You guys join me inside of my BMW M4 G82, and we're just around the corner to our first destination before we head to a crazy supercar event with some pretty nice cars and doing some wild things at the second location. So let's pull up to the first location, but before we do, we get to thank the sponsor of today's video, which is Simply Carbon Fiber. Simply Carbon Fiber was nice enough to send out some more of their genuine carbon fiber accessories, including their new line of colored traditional twill carbon fiber phone cases. And we've been rocking their phone cases for years at this point, everything from forest carbon fiber, the more traditional carbon fiber, but now we get the colored one, which at first glance you can see looks like normal carbon fiber, but as soon as the light kind of hits it at a certain angle, you can start to see those blue flakes in it as well. And we also have a few other colors over here too, including purple and red, and they have more colors on their website as well. But seeing them all together like this looks absolutely amazing. I really want you guys to go ahead and check these out. I think you're gonna like them a lot. And you guys already know Simply Carbon Fiber is doing a proper Black Friday sale. So starting on November 8th all the way through December 1st, they're gonna be doing an up to 70% off sale on their website at simplycarbonfiber.com. So go ahead and click those links in the description. Per usual, we also have a discount code BF10 for 10% off. And with that being said, let's go ahead and get on with today's video. We got the M4 parked up, and we're out here at a nice night event with a whole bunch of cool cars parked up next to Alex's E91 V8 M3 wagon. He's done a full conversion on this car, took a 325, turned it into a full M3 wagon. It's even fully registered and legal as well. The next has a nice M8 Grand Coupe Competition. Very nice livery on it too. We got more M's over here. G80 M3, got comfort seats, DRLs, nice F90 M5. Noise out here, got the M's. Ooh, nice E46 right there too. We also have another F90 M5. I mean, these two together, that's a very nice combo. Some clean F80 M4s over here. I think this one might be a CS. Yep, sure is a CS. Always looks good in black. The Slam E92 out here, like a mint type of green wrap on it. This is a very nice dark gray on the F82 M4. Competition, OLED taillights. The M4 CSL, obviously ultra rare. It's got the hood that we like. It's got the frozen paint. My favorite part about these cars is the trunk itself. Full factory CSL trunk, just like the old school E46 M3. And also this was the first G80 car to come with the lasers from factory. Looks absolutely insane, especially with the frozen spec. Got a couple big boys out here, a 760 and an i7, full electric, and then we still got the V8 twin turbo in this one. This one looks like it's sitting on some rims. Got more M's pulling in. That one looks brand new. Laguna Seca blue F80 M3. Very nice. And then we also have an all black G82 M4 next to that. We got a bone stock brand new generation G87 M2 looking good as well. Gotta love these. The M6, we actually have two of these in the family. We have a Grand Coupe manual and we have a Coupe DCT. This one appears to be the Coupe DCT. And as you can see, it is Halloween themed out here tonight. This is a bloody red Audi, I believe it's an A7. Next to my car, you got a skeleton on the roof of the car too. I must say, I do love the spec on this G80 M3 competition. It's got the gold wheels. Look, we've got beadlock wheels in the back with thick tires. I'm sure this thing scoots on the highway. It's also got black buckets interior. Of course, this is paddle shift automatic transmission. And then next to that, it's all blacked out with the red DRLs, which I've been seeing more people throw on the reds. Looks really good. This one has red bucket seats. But speaking of specs, this thing is insane. I believe it's an individual color. It might be a wrap, but I'm not sure. It looks like it's paint. It's like a deep kind of bloody wine type of red on the LCI brand new M4. One of my all-time dream cars, a 992 generation GT3. But look at the paint or wrap on it. It's like a frozen gray. I really like this. But we do have a Swan neck wing similar to my car, the one that we just put on our G82. And it's rocking some kind of like titanium exhaust on there as well. I'm sure this thing sounds really good. But more importantly, I don't know if you guys can see that, it is a 6-speed manual inside this car, and there's also the carbon fiber bucket seats of the 992 generation. Looks really good. I really like the wrap on this. We considered wrapping our F82 M4 in this color. It's brushed metal black. Looks really good on the F9 M5 comp. Got another G80 M3. It's got the Vorsteiner grills too. Another G82 pulling in, man. It seems to be a G89.
Well, we're gonna make a right down right over here and take Mason.
So as you hear, everybody's getting in the car, starting to end up. We're gonna go to the next destination and see where we're going from there. The GT3 sounds crazy. gentlemen, we are out here cruising. I have no idea where we're even going, but we're just riding. We got some nice G80s with us, man. Wow. The CSL though, man. Looks so good. Especially on the road. Frozen paint. Also like the red accents as well. It's pretty much a bone stock car. You really don't need to do anything to these cars. That sounds good. Dude, the G80 M3 is like 1-2 pops. Really loud. Sounds good. I got the 7 Series with us too. All types of Beamers out tonight. Got the big body out here too. We actually had a gray one of those, 2016. Nice M8 Grand Coupe. Oh, they got them out tonight, boys. There goes the wagon. Oh, that is nice. You gotta respect the amount of work it takes to convert a whole 325 into an actual M3 and then get it registered in the state of California. I mean, that's just awesome. We got the V8 DCT. What's cool, he also owns the M2 M3 Coupe. Man, as you can see, we got the M4 parked up looking super good next to a green SLS drop top AMG. We also have another green AMG C63. I love these old school ones. We got here kind of early, so we got more cars pulling in, including this nice 991.2 GT. These are the GT3 RS. They have a nice McLaren Artura parked up in like a highlighter yellow. It's real cool, like a tennis ball. Doors going up too. I think these are 6 cylinders. Got another GT3 RS pulling. Ooh, that is nice. As soon as you come inside, it's very nice. Ferrari F12 set on some BBS. Obviously V12, natural aspirated car. Beautiful in black, but it's even better since it's in this kind of lighting. Wow, I love these cars. Check this out, double trouble Porsches GT3 RS. That is crazy. Damn, which kind of spec are you going for? The black gold wheels, or you going for the chalk gray with the black wheels? Got one of the M boys pulling in, kind of the M8 Grand Coupe competition, nice livery on it too. F80 M3 wagon, like a deep wine red on that. That is nice. Bedazzled C-Class out here, the coupe. Oh man, that RS is nasty. And I got the planes flying over too. A lot of Porsches in today's video. It's wild. GT4 RS like that a lot. The setup on this RS is insane. Oh my god. McLaren's not bad either. Turbo's going crazy. Man, another Porsche. Oh, that thing is nice. You really can't go wrong with the M8s, man. This one's mostly stock. Things got some wheels on it, but dude, that looks so good. Boy, Nick. God dang. Very nice Murcielago Roadster V12. Sounding good out here tonight. The meat out here starting to really fill out. A lot of people here. See this RS up close. The Mazda is so clean. It's obviously lower. It's got the right tire setup. Look at the wheels, BBS wheels. I think it's also a larger wing too. Man, look at the interior on this car. Smaller steering wheel, full Wisec pack, roll cage seats, everything you expect in an RS. Super clean though. And we've got the brand new Revelto out here looking good in orange. First cop arriving on the scene. Damn, got the Ferrari 812. Some cops behind. Oh, that's a nice color on that. Got two more cops pulled up on the scene too. They even got a helicopter out here too. That's crazy. Oh boy, ripping it. Another 812, huh? Interior on the new Lambo, it looks absolutely insane. DCT hybrid V12, naturally aspirated, crazy. Got all the carbon fiber back here as well. But also, what do you guys think about the front end design on this thing? I think it looks absolutely insane. Best Ferraris I've heard, for sure. So you can see what was making all that noise. Naturally aspirated 6.5 liter V12 for Ferrari. Apparently this thing is Gentani tuned and driven often, man. Looks really cool. Sounds absolutely insane. And peep this Porsche at first. It's GT2 RS, all white, WiSec pack, red interior. This thing is absolutely wild. Love the wing on these, full carbon. Again, I'm going back and forth on whether or not we should wrap the end plates on my wing, Miami blue, like how this one's painted, and just leave the rest carbon. Maybe do some lettering as well. Murcielago is a gated manual. That is awesome. Bro, that's absolutely insane. Both those RSs just ran it. I don't know who won, but the cop, I'm sure, gonna find out. So as you can see, we hopped in the M4, man, and we got quite the crowd here. It was crazy. But we're gonna go, honestly, we're gonna go see what happened to those Porsches. We're gonna see if they got arrested or what's just going on.